Here on this Just Us Citadel YouTube channel.
This is Randy Hutchins Jr. I welcome you to the
Yes, the bad news is that's a rod.
Behind the house in that old 24 by 24, a dream was born, just a hammer and the floor. Daddy and me, we wrench under the moon, building classics to the whistle of a lonesome tune. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The snowman family's along for the ride. Rails paid the bills, but the shop fed the soul. We worked long nights to make the dream whole. From that little backyard to a kingdom of chrome, we built it together, turned iron to home. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The snowman family's along for the ride. Under the lights, the engine's roar, burnout spinning, always wanting more. YouTube cheers from my family so true, living our best life, every day feels new. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year.
Down by the creek where the red dirt flows, I met a man with a name that glows. Said folks call me 1969 Dodge Challenger RT, but the soul ain't mine. His eyes held stories of a long lost road, carried by a body that had borne the load. Call me 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. I'm more than metal, more than speed. I've raced the winds, I've kissed the night, but the scars out there, they don't feel right. Oh, 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. He spoke of highways that never end, of a girl he loved but couldn't defend. She left a mark like a midnight scar, her memory burns like an untamed star. The moon hung low as his words took flight, a ghost in the gravel fading into the night. People see a car, a machine, a name, but my heart's a driver lost in the game. Call me 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. I'm more than metal, more than speed. I've raced the winds, I've kissed the night, but the scars I bear, they don't feel right. Oh, 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. The gravel crunched as he turned to go, a fleeting shadow in the moonlight's glow. So don't chase the race if you lose your soul. The road is long, but it don't make you whole. The gravel crunched as he turned to go, a fleeting shadow in the moonlight's glow. Son, don't chase the race if you lose your soul. The road is long, but it don't make you whole. Oh, 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. I'm more than metal, more than me. I've raced the winds, I've kissed the night, but the scars out there, they don't feel right. Oh, 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. 1969 Dodge Challenger RT. The gravel crunched as he turned to go, a fleeting shadow in the moonlight's glow. The gravel crunched as he turned to go, a fleeting shadow in the moonlight's glow. So don't chase the race if you lose your soul. The road is long, but it don't make you whole. The road 1969.